Hello, this is a app I developed through PHP and JavaScript, the Bootstrap has been used for the styling. So this is a home page. All the properties has been listed in the home page, including house and apartment. If I click house, I will say only the house properties, and this is apartment property. And there's a basic searching function here. Let me quickly show you this search function. So you can say those two properties which meet the searching criteria. If I change the bus to one bus, click search, you will say no properties. And it doesn't matter you log in or not. You can always say the properties, including house and apartment. Let me show you the database first. There are two tables for this database. One is the properties, another one is users. Those are the users which have signed in, like I created through the testing. Those are the property. Sorry. Okay, here there's a few columns: name, email, phone, and password. All the password has been processed through the PHP password hash for the security reason. And let's say the properties. Okay, those are the property data. I didn't enter too much data, but I think it's enough for the developing purpose. And there's a user ID column, which is a foreign key. So, well, first I'll show you the sign in function. If I use Sarah and the password is test 1, 2, 3. Click sign in. So now Sarah has signed in. So the name has been populated in the navigation part and also in this login module. Well, I used a session to store the name, and also I store the user ID, so that I can easily manipulate all my data through database. So after logged in, now I can either upload a property or manage the properties I uploaded before. You can first show you this one. This is properties I have uploaded before. If I click this one, you can say all the detail page. Well, actually in the home page, and for any property, if you click it, you can see the detail page. Okay, let's go back here. You can also edit your property or delete the property. I'll quickly show you the editor. Okay, maybe I'll do that when I sign in with a new new name. And there's the uploading page here. You can upload a brand new property. Okay, now let me sign out first. I'll sign in with a different name, like as a new user. There are like a general verification here. As you can see, like any input area, if there's a star here, you have to enter information for that area. Like for the phone, you can leave it blank. And the password have to match. If I say if I use enter a different password, you can say the password not correct. Okay, now the password are same. If I click sign up, you can say, sorry, the email has been registered, and this has been like verified through the PHP code. If I go to the database, you can say there is a username here. So I cannot use the same email address. So I have to use a different one. Let me say, just add 3. Click sign up. So now you can say I have a sign up with this name. Okay, and because I haven't entered any property, if I click here, you will say, okay, you haven't uploaded any properties. Let's upload a property first. Here actually I have something will be wrong. I still have no idea what's going on here. If I click this picture, you can see the picture is a building here. If I click open, yeah, and of course everything here I have to enter. If I use some JavaScript code to control this form for some general verification. But I want to show you that it's very basic thing. So I click submit. This file has already exist. Because I use the same picture. Okay. Yeah, I didn't delete that from the database, from my back end. So let me do this again. Okay, now it should be okay. So now you can say this property has been entered, but as I mentioned earlier, this is the picture, but I don't know why. Say the picture name is H13, and also this is the folder, image folder. I saved all the property images, but I don't have this image. I just don't know why it comes up. Probably I used this picture before. Probably it's cached. I'm not very clear about this problem. Yeah, even go to the database, you can say this is a new property I uploaded, and you can see the address is image H13, and this is the address, and this is the picture. Well, so now maybe I'll upload another property. I use same information here. Backup. I use this one. They are same. So yeah, this is the home page. You can say it has been those two properties has been uploaded here, and if I go to my properties, you can also say 2 properties, and this is the new one. And you can edit the property. You can also delete the property. If I click edit, okay, I just change the rent. Still use. So you can say the rent has been changed to $500. And you can, if you want to delete, you can also delete this property. So if you go to the home page, still you won't see that property anymore. Yeah, this is basically like how I can use this app. That's all.